Question 41. Find the curved surface area of a cone of height 4 cm and base radius 3 cm correct to 2 decimal places. Solution. For a cone, the curved surface area is equal to pi RL, where the height is 4 cm, the radius is 3 cm, but the slant height is unknown. But by Pythagoras rule, the slant height, the height, and the radius are connected in this form. So you have height is 4, you have 4 squared plus arrow is 3, 3 squared, that is 16 plus 9 equal to 25. To get L, take the square root of 25, and that is 5 cm. Back to the curved surface area. You have pi 22 over 7 times radius, arrow, that is 3 times the slant height L, that is 5. If you multiply, you have this result, and if you divide to 2 decimal places, you have 41.14 square centimeters. The correct option is C. Question 42. The angle of elevation of the top B of a wall from a point A on the ground is 30 degrees. If AB is equal to 50 meters, how far is A from the foot of the wall? Correct to 2SF. Solution. This diagram illustrates the information. You are asked to find the distance from A to the foot of the wall, that is D. Now looking at D, you know AB, this angle is known, so BF is opposite, this becomes adjacent, and you have hypotenuse. We must have cos 30 degrees equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, that is D over 50. Cos 30 is 0.5 equal to D over 50. Multiply through by 50 to clear fraction. D is equal to 0.5 times 50, and that is 25 meters. The correct option is A. Question 43. Given that sin theta is equal to 3 over 5, where theta is an acute angle, what is the value of sin theta plus cos theta over 1 minus tan theta? Now, the information about sine will help us to get cosine and tangent from a right angled triangle. So you have the triangle. Now this is the acute angle theta. Sine is defined as the ratio of opposite to hypotenuse. So the opposite is 3, hypotenuse is 5. From Pythagoras rule, the adjacent is 4. Now let's get cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, that is 4 over 5. Tan theta is opposite over adjacent, that is 3 over 4. Now let's get the numerator. Sin theta plus cos theta. You have this result, and 7 over 5. Let's get the denominator. 1 minus tan theta, that is 1 minus 3 over 4, simplifies to this, and you have 1 over 4. The whole expression, numerator divided by denominator. Division sign changes to multiplication, and you invert the fraction 1 over 4 to 4 over 1. If you multiply, you have 28 over 5, which simplifies to 5 whole number 3 over 5. The correct option is D. Question 44. In the figure below, O is the center of the circle. Find angle CAF. Solution. That is this angle. To get this angle, we need this angle. Look at C and E. Their sum is 180 degrees. You have the reason. So angle E is 120 degrees plus angle C equal to 180 degrees, and angle C is 180 degrees minus 120 degrees equal to 60 degrees. Look at triangle CAF. This angle here is exterior. It means the sum of A and C is equal to 100 degrees. You have the reason. So you have A plus 60 degrees equal to 100 degrees, and A is equal to 100 degrees minus 60 degrees equal to 40 degrees. In 3 letters notation, you have angle CAF is equal to 40 degrees. The correct option is B. Question 45. S and Y are two places on the equator, and their longitudes are 165 degrees east and 57 degrees west respectively. What is the shortest distance between them? Solution. The shortest distance between the two places is distance along great circle. The equator is a great circle. Such distance is computed using this, and because the two places are on different sides of the meridian, you need to add to get their angular difference as 232 degrees over 360 degrees times 2 times pi 22 over 7 times radius of the earth 6,400 kilometers. If you multiply, you get this result. If you divide, you get this result to 1 decimal place. That is 25,925.1 kilometers. The correct option is C. Question 46. In the figure below, PQ and PRO are tangents from P to a circle with center O. If angle QPRO is 34 degrees, find the angle marked S. So this angle is given as 34 degrees, and that you should find this angle. Solution. You have the diagram. Now you should note that anytime a radius intersects with a tangent, the angle formed is 90 degrees. So this angle and this angle, they are equal to 90 degrees. Radius perpendicular to a tangent. Now, in quadrilateral ORPQ, if you add the four angles, the sum is 360 degrees. You have the sum of, the four angles. If you add the four angles, so the sum of the four angles is 360 degrees. If you add, you have this result. If you transfer 241 degrees to the right hand side, you have S to be equal to 360 degrees minus 214 degrees, and that is 146 degrees. The correct option is C. Question 47. Find the gradient of a straight line joining point A and B. Gradient is given by this formula. For point A, 3 is S1 minus 5 is Y1. For point B, 1 is S2 and 3 is Y2. If you replace S1, Y1, S2, Y2 with what they stand for, you have this result, which simplifies to this, and when you divide, you have minus 4. The correct option is A. Question 48. A plastic spherical ball of radius 6 cm was melted and reshaped into a cube. Find the length of the cube correct to the nearest centimeter. Solution. Surface area of spherical ball is equal to surface area of cube. From the given information, we can get the surface area of the spherical ball. You equate it to the surface area of cube so that the length of the cube can be obtained. So surface area of a spherical ball is 4 pi r squared. You have this result and this result. From this expression, you have 452.5714 equal to surface area of a cube, which is 6s squared. You have this result. To get s squared first, divide through by 6 and you have this result. To get s, you need to take the square root of the last result, which is this, and to the nearest centimeters, you have 9 centimeters from 8.68 for 9 centimeters. The mean age of 7 children is 10 years. The age in years of 6 of the children are 3, 6, 8, 14, 15, and 16. Use the information to answer questions 49 to 51. Question 49. Calculate the age of the 7th child. Solution. Let the age of the 7th child be S. If you go by the question, the mean age of all the children, the 7 children, the mean age is 10. And you know, mean is the summation of the item over number of occurrence. So mean age is equal to sum of ages over number of children. Now you have the ages for 6 children, For the seventh child, S, you add it to it over 7, the mean age is 10. Multiply through by 7 to clear fraction and also add the constant in the numerator. You have this result, and you have 70 minus 62 equal to S, and S is equal to 8 years. So the age of the seventh child is 8. The age of the seventh child. The correct option is C. Question 50. Find the mother age. Solution. The mother age is the age that occur most. That is 8 years. The correct option is B.